Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we are going to learn vowel O and sound of OT, ot. Okay? So mention here date. What is today? Today is 21/7/2020. Sound of OT, ot. Okay? Now write here OT. When we match it with C, जब हम इसे C के साथ मिलाते हैं तो ये क्या बन जाता है? ये बन जाता है COT. क्या बन गया? cot. What the phonic sound of C? K. COT, cot. Okay? And when we match it with D, what it will be? It will be DOT, dot. And what the phonic sound of D? D is D. So dot. Okay? And when we match it with P, it is POT, pot. Okay? And what the phonic sound of P? It is P. यानी कि pot. And you have to write it here 5 times. That's all for today. We will meet tomorrow. Goodbye.